You close your eyes and drift off to sleep, completely unaware that your teeth are grinding together with tremendous force. Night after night, this silent habit slowly wears away your smile, often without any warning signs. Every night of grinding slowly wears away the protective enamel on your teeth. Tiny cracks begin to form. The teeth become flatter, and the damage silently gets worse over time. Morning arrives, but instead of feeling refreshed, you wake up with a dull headache, a sore jaw, or aching teeth. These symptoms may seem unrelated, but they could all be signs that you're grinding your teeth while you sleep. After carefully examining the teeth, the dentist notices unusual wear patterns. These aren't caused by cavities or decay. They're classic signs of teeth grinding, also known as bruxism. To protect the teeth from further damage, the dentist recommends a custom-made night guard. Unlike over-the-counter mouth guards, a custom night guard is designed specifically for your teeth, providing a comfortable fit while reducing the harmful effects of grinding during sleep. That very night, everything changes. With the custom night guard in place, the teeth are protected from the powerful forces of grinding. The jaw muscles begin to relax, the teeth are shielded from further wear. Many people don't realize they're grinding their teeth until the damage has already begun. If you wake up with headaches, jaw pain, or worn teeth, don't ignore the signs. Early treatment can protect your smile, even while you sleep. Thank you for watching Beyond the Tooth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more trusted dental health tips. And remember, take care of your smile because you use it every day. Until next time.